Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I've made a quick video showing you some of the color swatches I made using fiber reactive dyes from Custom Colors. Custom Colors is a small business located in North Carolina. There was some sort of an issue where the business was shut down for just a little while where you couldn't order. So most of my dye swatches and most of my dyes are probably about a year and a half, 2 years old. I did notice though where the business is back up and running and the website is working again, so you can go ahead and order from Custom Colors if you'd like to. I don't have these in any particular order. I don't really own a whole lot of the Custom Colors dyes, so I just placed the ones that I do own in a very short video. The only reason why I don't own more is because the business has been shut down for a while. So I wouldn't hesitate at all to order from Custom Colors. They have beautiful colors and their dyes are spectacular. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this really short video, and if you have, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it, and if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'll hit the bell, you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.